Hi, welcome to my course. This is IT 174, which is an introduction to the software program Dreamweaver. My name is David Briggs, and I'll be your instructor for the next 11 weeks. No textbook is required for this course, although you will need Dreamweaver installed on your computer, and your version of the software should be either CS6 or the Creative Cloud subscription. Now, if you've never taken an online course, I think you'll discover that this is a great way to complete some of your basic course requirements. For those who have a busy schedule, an online course can be a real lifesaver, and obviously that's because you can do the work on your own schedule. My only requirement is that you submit your assignments to me by the end of each week. How you want to go about completing the work is up to you. This website is available 24 hours a day, so you can come in and do the assignments whenever it's most convenient. I'll be posting your new assignments every Monday, and you'll have till the following Sunday to complete the work and submit whatever assignments are due for that week. Keep in mind that you'll do much better in this course if you spread the work out, perhaps doing some of the assignments early in the week and then finishing things up over the weekend. Now, I've been using Dreamweaver for quite a few years now. My background is in business communications, and after college I worked as a writer and a graphic designer for several leading insurance companies in Iowa. Most of my work back then was meant for print, which included brochures, catalogs, and flyers. But by the year 2000, I noticed that a lot of companies and organizations were starting to publish these documents online. As much as I liked working with printers, I really couldn't ignore the tremendous advantages that the web provided for anyone who wanted to distribute information in a digital form. The cost savings alone were pretty amazing, but more importantly, I thought the web provided a better experience for the reader. Suddenly, the old printed brochures and catalogs that I had created seemed antiquated compared to web pages with hyperlinks, animations, embedded videos, and audio. So I decided to redirect my career from the print world to the web. I worked as an e-commerce manager for a magazine publisher where I helped the company develop websites and online retail stores to help support their magazine subscription business. I'm also an online publisher myself, and I manage several websites related to woodworking and the do-it-yourself market. I use the Adobe Creative Suite extensively in my day-to-day work, and so I hope I can share with you some of my practical experience and expertise in using the Dreamweaver program. I'm especially excited to be teaching Dreamweaver this semester because 2014 marks the 25th anniversary of the World Wide Web. Maybe you've seen some news stories about Tim Berners-Lee, the man who is largely credited for inventing the web as we know it today. I'll talk more about this in your Week 1 assignment and give you a link to a very interesting video where Tim spoke this year at the 18th Annual Webby Awards. Now, the way I've set up this course is that each week I'm going to ask you to 1. Watch my class video. Each week I'll post a short video where I introduce a new topic and explain the assignments you'll need to complete for that week. 2. Learn from others. Each week I'll have you read a short article or watch a video related to web design. The articles and videos will introduce you to some very interesting people with strong opinions not only about web design but also about the internet and new technology that is changing the web. 3. Participate in our class forum. Each week I want you to share some of your own thoughts about the topics we cover in this course. Our class forum is the perfect place to do this, and I hope it will encourage a conversation not only between you and me, but with your classmates as well. 4. Take a short quiz. Sometimes I'll ask you to complete a short quiz on a topic I present in my class video. The quizzes will help you test your knowledge of the material and, more importantly, help you build a vocabulary of terms and concepts related to web design. 5. Practice what you've learned. To help you better understand the concepts and techniques of web design, each week I'll have you complete some type of exercise. This might include creating a document that demonstrates your understanding of the topic and then submitting that file to me through the Blackboard website. Your final project for this course is to create a complete multi-page website. and we'll devote the last few weeks of class to this assignment alone. It could be a site related to a particular hobby of yours. It could be a site for a small business or nonprofit organization. It could be an informational site for an upcoming event. The content of the site is completely up to you, so you can start thinking now about what kind of website you might want to build for your final project. So that's a quick overview of the course and the type of assignments you'll be doing each week. When you're ready to begin work on the assignments, simply click the Assignments button at the top left of your screen, and then open the folder for that week. If you're new to AIB, be sure to watch my video, How to Complete Assignments, which explains in more detail how to submit your work to me for grading. I've placed a link to this video on my course homepage. As always, if you have any questions or concerns about this course or the weekly assignments, please contact me at this email address. You can also find my contact information on my course homepage. Now it's time to get started on this week's assignments. I'll see you there.